Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I catch a hater by his toe and hang him high up in the sky until he tries to stop the jokes. I be catching bullets like Houdini, but I'll never focus. I be getting stronger with every shot like a cortisone.
Hello, hater, how you doing? Me, I'm feeling great. Apologies for snoozing, I just got a baby on the way. I know you miss me. Don't worry, I'm back for a minute. This is sick beat. I just can't help it, I gotta kill it. Call me Jeffrey, cause I'ma murder this shit so intelligently. I will make your head freeze. Eeny, meeny, mind your own. Stop hating someone else when you already hate your own. Come on, bleach, please. Yo, all you hate is getting dumber and dumber. Tatagalugin ko na para sa yung anga-anga. Kapatulan di ayoko sana. Sayang oras, sayang bara yung kasi takbo ng tema. Ngayon pa ba ako pa para lang sa iyong kaalaman. Wala naman talaga akong pakialam. Masaya ako tong ginagawa, yun ang mahalaga. Sa totoo, ginawa ko to para maging sayo lang. What's up, haters? I know you've been talking shit about me lately. All crazy if you think it's gonna work. I was born to ride it, spit it and kill it. I got a demon in it in another room in a minute. I got unlimited bitches, but if you're tripping about it, parang ganito. Ang tatagalog na ako para di ka malito. Pakinggan mo maigi, sasabihin ko sa'yo. Gago, wag mo nang ipilit kung ikaw maging ako. Kasi di kita asing. Para saan tol, hindi ka magaling. Ang mag-king merong malupit na king. Sad boy ka na sabit lang sa gym. Panis yung nakawit ko. O di mo masisira kung ano ako ngayon. Ilang beses kung tinalo yung laro na